Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you I am Ibrahim Islam from Tangal district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Tuesday, 25 January 2022. Now afternoon time, this Tuesday afternoon I am visiting a natural place. You can see behind my back natural place of village. Actually it is a agricultural land area of village agricultural land area. Really beautiful green place. Friends, this Tuesday afternoon I visiting this place and I saw here some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. You can see beautiful green place, green nature, here crop field, lemon garden, all in all beautiful place. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে মঙ্গলবার বিকালে আমি আমাদের গ্রামের কৃষি জমির একটি অংশে এসেছি, প্রাকৃতিক জায়গা। এখানে হাঁটার সময় আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি, এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this really very beautiful natural place. This Tuesday afternoon I all get here and try to collect polluted garbage and plastic. Let's go friends. Friends, I saw here one old plastic. I collected this plastic. This plastic is really very bad for our nature, our natural place. So I collected this plastic. I saw here another old plastic. So I collected this old plastic, really old and very bad plastic. I collected this old and bad plastic. Friends, you know I always try to save the natural place. I always try to clean the natural place, and this cleaning moment share with you video. I hope you all like my work. Friends, I walked here and try to collect polluted garbage and plastic. I saw another plastic here, old plastic. This plastic is really very bad for our natural place. This plastic really bad for our agriculture land, our people, our children. So I always try to remove polluted plastic from natural place. I saw another plastic here, old plastic. This really old plastic. Another firebox here. This firebox dangerous. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। I saw here cigarette packed. One cigarette packed. This cigarette pack. I saw another plastic here. Stuck in green nature. আটকে আছে মাটিতে। Old plastic. এটা আমি টেনে তুললাম। Another plastic here. I collected this plastic. Bad plastic. Friends, stock this plastic and garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. Friends, I work in natural place of village agriculture land area. I collect polluted garbage and plastic from this place. Another plastic here, big plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Really very bad plastic here. I saw another old plastic here, old and big plastic. I collected this old and big plastic stuck in soil. আজকে আছে এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Big and old, really very bad plastic. I saw another plastic here. Another plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another plastic here. অ্যানাদার ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক আমি এটা সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম plastic. Friends, I saw here one plastic bottle, so I collected this bottle, plastic bottle. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। Friends, I all get here and try to collect polluted garbage. I saw here another polluted plastic, so now I collected this plastic. This is a really very bad and old and big plastic. I collected this all plastic stuck in green nature soils. Many plastic here আটকে আছে, এগুলো আমি টেনে বের করতেছি। Friends, I collected many plastic from this natural place. আশ্চর্যজনক এত প্লাস্টিক। I collected many old and big plastic, really very bad plastic, bad and polluted plastic. I collected this product plastic from this natural place. This plastic is really very bad for our nature and natural place, our agricultural land area. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected many polluted plastic unused plastic bottle from natural place of village. This plastic is really very bad for our natural place, so I try to collect this plastic product from natural place. I collected that plastic from this place. এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি। I collected that plastic from this place. Friends, now this garbage in dustbin of village. So let's go. Friends, finally we'll say let's see all say about nature and natural place. I think nature is wealth of our world. Friends, this plastic threw in dustbin of village used dustbin. Let's go. Friends, this is a village used dustbin. This all garbage threw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friends. This was my nature cleaning mission in Tuesday afternoon.